Okay, so if I want to look at this inequality, let's first do the split middle term for factorization. So it's 20 here. I can write 10 into 2, so 10 minus 2 is 8, so I can do minus 10x plus 2x plus 20 here. So yep, sorry. So then this is a minus x. If I take out, this will be x plus 10 plus 2 x plus 10 less than 0. So this is like something like 2 minus x and x plus 10 less than 0, or what I can write x minus 2 x plus 10. So now looking at this one, this x square has a negative coefficient. The coefficient is a minus 1. So if I assume that y is equal to x square minus 8x, negative x square, sorry, 8x plus 20. So then if I plot this one, y is equal to minus x square minus 2x. So this is a parabolic function, and since the coefficient of x square is a negative, it will go downwards. So the roots are, one is at 2 because x is 2 and the roots are 2 and negative 10, so the crossing is 2 and 10, so it will be something like that. So this is 2 0 here, and this is negative 10 and 0 here. So now our inequality is minus x square minus 8x plus 20, which is less than 0, so y will be less than 0. So only in this region y is less than 0, so the result is x is greater than 2 or x is less than minus 10. That's what it is. Now instead of this one, if I had multiplied this inequality by negative 1, I could have done it as well. So let me do it that way. So the whole thing is becoming x square after the multiplication by negative 1. Since I am multiplying by a negative 1, this inequality sign will change. It will become greater than 0. It was Before it was less than 0, but after the multiplication of both sides by negative 1, it has become greater than 0. So now again the roots are the same, x minus 2 and x plus 10 greater than 0. And again if I assume y is equal to x square plus 8x minus 20, then if I plot this thing, now in this case, since the coefficient of x is a positive, I have again the root as 2 and negative 10, and because this is positive, it will now go upwards, but I have a greater than equals to 0, so I have to do this thing. I have to look for y is greater than 0. So this is 2 0 like before, and this is minus 10 0. So these roots are the same because this part is essentially the same. I could have actually done this thing. So if I had done this thing, let's say the step before this one will be like this, plus 10x minus 2x minus 20. So then x plus 10 minus 2 x plus 10. So that's how it's the same thing. So now I have to look for y is greater than 0, and that one is again this one. So I am getting the same result. So x is greater than 0 or x is less than minus 10. So even if I multiply by negative 1 to get rid of the negative before x square, I will get the same result. That's what I wanted to show here.